Welcome back to Intelligency Technology. Today we explore major developments in AI, robotics, and global tech policy affecting our digital future. Relativity Networks has successfully raised $22 million to accelerate the deployment of their unique technology. They are focusing on hollow-core fiber, which allows data transmission speeds 30% faster than standard optical fibers. This advancement addresses critical bandwidth bottlenecks currently plaguing major global data centers. By optimizing light propagation through air rather than glass, they aim to reduce latency significantly. Industry analysts believe this could fundamentally change how information is routed across the internet infrastructure. In response to a security incident at Hugging Face, OpenAI has instituted comprehensive new safeguards for their artificial intelligence models. The company now employs detailed monitoring systems throughout the entire development lifecycle of their neural networks. There is a heightened emphasis on alignment research to ensure AI behaviors remain predictable and safe. Security protocols have been expanded specifically during the post-training phase to prevent data leakage or unauthorized access. These measures reflect a growing industry-wide recognition of the risks associated with open-source large language models. The humanoid robot manufacturer Unitree experienced a spectacular 60% increase in its share value upon listing on the Chinese stock exchange. Their robots have previously achieved viral fame through videos demonstrating impressive feats such as martial arts routines and dance performances for celebrities. This financial success signals strong investor confidence in the commercial viability of mass-market humanoid robotics. The company continues to push boundaries with products designed for both industrial automation and consumer entertainment applications. Over 300 companies are gathering in Beijing to showcase over 2,000 exhibits at the World Robot Conference. More than 150 new products are being launched during this week-long event focused on automation. Authorities indicate that the primary goal is finding viable paths toward widespread adoption of robotic technology in daily life. The sheer scale of participation suggests a rapid maturation of the robotics sector across China's industrial landscape. Apple is overhauling its application store policies specifically for the European Union market to comply with new regulations. They are replacing a per-installment fee structure with a standardized 5% commission rate for apps distributed outside the main store. This adjustment aims to simplify compliance requirements for developers operating alternative app marketplaces in the region. The move represents a significant shift in how digital distribution monetization is handled across different jurisdictions. Samsung Electronics has increased its chip manufacturing prices by as much as 15% due to an unexpected spike in demand. Orders from Chinese customers have been particularly strong, creating a severe shortage of available production capacity. The company must balance serving these international clients while maintaining reserves for its own internal chip production needs. Sources indicate that meeting all orders simultaneously is currently impossible given the constrained supply chain constraints. Google's parent company Alphabet has raised $3.9 billion through its inaugural Australian dollar bond issuance. The firm offered various tranches with tenures ranging from 3 to 20 years to attract diverse investors. They set the coupon rate at 6.9% for the longest-term bond tranche specifically. This financial maneuver demonstrates Alphabet's growing confidence in its long-term revenue projections and global market stability. SAP's president for the Asia-Pacific region views India not just as a customer base but as a vital innovation hub. The company recognizes the country's extensive technology talent pool and robust partner ecosystem as key strategic assets. This perspective shifts how SAP approaches its operations beyond simple revenue growth metrics in the Indian market. They are leveraging local expertise to drive broader enterprise vision through AI-led autonomous systems. Comcast has introduced motion sensing capabilities into millions of its newer router units without requiring traditional external sensors. This new feature allows the network to detect movement inside a home automatically for better connectivity management. However, this functionality comes with a significant privacy catch that requires careful consideration by users. The technology raises questions about how much data regarding household activity is being collected remotely. Stay tuned for our next bulletin where we dive deeper into these stories. Subscribe to Intelligency Technology now.